Hey y'all, today I'm going to do a quick review for the DPL2A. I decided to do this review kind of last minute, just simply based on the fact that when I was trying to research it, I didn't see much out there. I must admit, I was very skeptical to purchase this device because it's pretty expensive. So the DPL2A, here it is. As you can see, it's pretty small, compact. It's a little panel. Could fit into a purse or a bag very easily. It comes in a little pouch, carrying case that you could use for travel or, just easy pack and go. It comes with a little power cord and AC adapter, which you pretty much just plug the power cord into the AC adapter. And then the AC adapter gets plugged directly into the device, of course. Right there, very straightforward. And then we're gonna plug it in. Okay, so when I plugged it in, there were 2 beeps to let me know that it's ready to go. And with that, I'm just gonna read the instructions. Very straightforward operating instructions. Wash and dry the area prior to use. So I'm gonna use it on my chest and my face, which I have cleansed thoroughly with the cleanser of my choice. You should use whatever you use on your skin. Plug the power supply in. Place the goggles, provided goggles, over your eyes when treating your face. Press the power button. So it's once for wrinkle treatment, twice for acne treatment, and 3 times for both lights. So I'm going to attempt to do both. That'll probably be my preferred treatment. Place the device directly on the skin over the desired treatment area for 3 minutes. The device will auto shut off after completion of a 3-minute treatment. So basically it'll go for 3 minutes and then it'll automatically shut off. So you don't have to worry about overdoing it. I also read that there's really no benefit to trying to increase the amount of time, that you really want to stick to the directions and, just basically follow the guidance that is provided and in order to obtain the best results. So it says do not obstruct or block ventilation holes during operation and use the device daily for best results. Do not exceed 3 treatments per day in each treatment area. So before I do this, again, it's supposed to be quick and easy. I just want to kind of do a close-up since I am monitoring this myself because, I want to be real. And I also, again, just based on my skepticism, I'll be honest, this is new. It states that it is FDA approved, but I'll be honest, what really motivated me to try this was the fact that after I researched it, I found that it's beneficial for so many things. So supposedly, it is proven to improve circulation, detoxify the body. It provides pain relief and aids in weight loss, improves heart health, purifies the skin, provides relaxation and stress relief, reduces muscle tension, and overall help boost your immune system. To me, that's a win-win. I have started using, I bought like a little infrared, kind of like a neck pillow that I use at night before I go to sleep. And I do believe that it relaxes me for some unknown reason. I can't explain it. It's not like it's really hot or I mean, there's no massaging action. It's just something. It does something, and it really relaxes me. I also have like a little pad that I use that I can like wrap around my body as a knee brace, or I can just put it on different places, and it definitely alleviates pain. And that's my truth. So I'm assuming it works different for everyone. So I mean, I would definitely say it's worth it. The neck brace was about $100, and I think the heating pad, I mean not the heating pad, but the body pad was about the same. So with that said, I will tell you that this device is not cheap. So it's about $399. Save yourself some money and purchase it through your HSA or your FSA if you have one, because again, this is FDA approved. So you can purchase that through your FSA or HSA through your employer, especially if you have extra funds like I did towards the end of the year. So with that being said, I'll just pull out the little goggles. They're nothing fancy. And again, I'm going to try to do like an update after maybe a few weeks of using it. I'm doing this for myself, just kind of. Okay, sweating. It's a little warm in here. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the light. I don't know why I want to do that. I don't know if it matters. Okay, so let me make sure I know where the button is so I don't sit here and look like a fool. So I'll go ahead and get it open. Okay, there's the button. Okay, real quick. Put that around my head. I know I'm looking foolish, but you know, it is what it is. Hold on. Okay, sorry. Oh no, interesting. So I can see through the goggles. I didn't expect that I could see through the goggles. But I imagine that you want to close your eyes. So from my own personal experience, I get facials occasionally. Facials are very expensive, so I feel like in the long run, this device will pay for itself. Facial is about $150 and upward, just depending on the service that you get and you know where you go. So it can get very expensive. I've gotten blue light, I've gotten red light, I've gotten the pills, the chemical pills, and again, it's very expensive. And that's kind of how I got on this kick. You know, the lady who did my facials educated me on probiotics and introducing or adding vitamin C to the skin topically, as well as taking it internally. These are things that will help you in the long run. My biggest issue is acne, and I struggle with that, and I think that it's hormonal as well. So, all right. With that being said, remember I'm gonna do three. I'm gonna do it 3 times because I want both lights. So I'm gonna close my eyes and just go for it. So, okay. So I pressed it 3 times. I'm gonna put it up to my face, turn so you can see just kind of what it looks like. And I really want to do my face and my neck, so I'm doing this first, and then I think I'll hold it under my chin so that I can get my neck and my chest. And from some of the videos that I've seen online with different devices, that's generally how it's done. Okay, so it feels warm. It doesn't feel hot or uncomfortable in any way. I like the panel style because I've seen some other devices that seem to be more, handheld in a way that you would have to use it on an individual area. So for me, that wouldn't work because I don't have a lot of time. So I don't want to have to do 3 minutes on one area of my face and then, maybe do it 4 times in order to cover the full, uh, area of my face. I would rather just do it in one setting, and then move on to another area of my body. The goggles are not that comfortable. They're a little uncomfortable, but for me, I would rather have a little bit of discomfort. It's for a very short time than take the risk of not using it. Um, you know, your eyes. So again, the heat is warm. It's not really hot, but it's very warm. Actually feels relaxing. And I don't know, like, if it's changing colors or I, I'm curious to know. Like, I know that they say, I'm not really sure. There's some type of light that you can't actually see. Um, and then there's the infrared that you can see, but you shouldn't look directly into that. Um, I know the blue light should help with the wrinkles, and then it's the red light, I believe, that helps eliminate the acne. The light, it penetrates the surface of the skin or the dermis, so it definitely should make a difference. Okay, so I'm a little dizzy right now. um, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my chest as well. But for purposes of not making this video any longer than what it needs to be, I will provide an update after I use the device for, maybe a couple of weeks or so. And we'll see how it goes. All right. And with that being said, I hope you at least have some information about the device and what it does. And then, again, I'll provide you with my honest feedback and let you know how I'm feeling once I get some regular use. All right. Thanks. And hopefully you have a good one.